Hi, this is Mike Karen from the Paperless PTO. In this video segment, we're going to show you how easy it is to manage your events on your Paperless PTO website. Now, you may recall from previous video segments that all events you create for your website will appear on the home page on the left side here in chronological order. They will also be viewable from your online calendar, which you can see when you click on the image here. Now let's show you how easy it is to manage these events. We have one listed there, which is the March meeting, and what we'll do is log into our account and then go into the website builder, and we'll make changes to this event. We simply go to the website builder under the board only menu option, and the result is the page that will list all of the events that you have created. Now the March meeting already exists, so what we'd like to do is click on this button here to edit the information on that meeting, and that takes us to a page where we see that the meeting is for the Anytown PTO. The name of the event is the March meeting, and the date of it is the 17th. Let's change it to the March monthly meeting. And perhaps we want to draw some attention to the fact that we have a guest speaker. We can give this some sort of nice highlighted background. Let's give it the standard yellow highlighted color. Other things you can do include changing the committee that the event is associated with. You simply select from the drop-down box which committee you want to choose. The same for the location. If the meeting was not going to be in the cafeteria, perhaps it was moved to the gym, you would simply select that and make the change. You can also enter the start and end times and decide whether or not you want to include them on the home page. In this case, we have decided to uncheck the start time, and we're going to leave the end time there just to make the point, to show you how it works. There is also other information that you can provide, such as the contact, the phone, the email of the person who might be associated with the event. And there is also the image that will appear with the event. If you wanted to change that, it simply becomes a matter of clicking the Browse button to find an image somewhere on your computer that you want to upload to the website, and then that will change that accordingly. We recommend that you use images that are square in size. The system will reduce them to 100 pixels by 100 pixels, so if they are 10,000 by 10,000, that is fine as long as they are square. Now what you can also do is uncheck this box next to the active description. What that will do is disable the event, and in that case it will not appear on the home page nor on the calendar. You can also include login instructions with the event on the home page. This is good to check off whenever you have an event that is associated with an item that your family members are going to purchase from you. So for example, if you were selling spiritware or membership dues, you would want to check this box, because what it will do is then direct your family members to click on a link in order to make that purchase. Now you can also exclude the event from the calendar and or from the home page. So if you exclude it from both, that's another way of actually disabling the event. So we're going to leave them unchecked, and then we're going to save the information that we provided and notice the update. Then we'll verify everything by clicking on the link to go to the home page. And now you'll notice here that we changed it from the March meeting to the March monthly meeting, and we also took out the start time and left in the end time of the meeting, and the location is in the cafeteria. And also remember, we did highlight the guest speaker, and you can see how that stands out nicely here. And also, as mentioned, we decided to include this last sentence here that has the link to log into the secure side of the site, and this again would be good to have in the event that you are going to sell some sort of item to your family members. And finally, what we want to do is make sure that the event appears on the calendar. So we simply click on this image of the calendar here. And that brings us to the calendar where we can see the event on the 17th of March. We did scroll ahead to March of 2011 just to view it. And you can simply put your mouse over the title of the event, and this nice pop-up appears with information about the event, including the description, the date, the location, contact information, etc. That concludes this video segment. I'm Mike Herron for the Paperless PTO. I will see you in the next one.